city saw the wonders, but they closed their eyes. They built their heavy towers reaching to the skies, a weight upon the shoulders of a prideful land, holding tight to burdens that they can't command. But hidden from the scholars and the worldly wise is a quiet kind of mercy in a child's eyes. Come to me, you weary, when the day is long. Come to me, you broken, where you don't belong. Lay down every burden, let the striving go. You will find rest for your souls, this I know. You will find rest for your souls. No clever mind can force the heavy doors apart. It only takes the yielding of a simple heart. So take my yoke upon you, walk beside my way. I am meek and gentle in the words I say. Let the iron chains you carry hit the dusty ground. In this open harbor, perfect peace is found. Come to me, you weary, when the day is long. Come to me, you broken, where you don't belong. Lay down every burden, let the striving go. You will find rest for your souls, this I know. You will find rest for your souls. The yoke is easy, the burden is light. I'll walk beside you through the darkest night. No more empty run, no more endless toll, just a quiet shelter for the heavy soul. To me, you weary, when the day is long. Come to me, you broken, where you don't belong. Lay down every burden, let the striving go. You will find rest for your souls, this I know. You will find rest for your souls, rest for your souls. Lay your burdens down, rest for your souls. Grace is all